What's new in unicorn companies this quarter? Here are the biggest moves from the past 3 months. Artificial intelligence dominated the past quarter, attracting over $24 billion and accounting for more than 78% of all capital raised by Silicon Valley unicorns, reflecting a massive concentration of resources and investor attention in the AI sector. In the third quarter, Silicon Valley unicorns outperformed major indexes, with secondary share prices up over 14%, well above the NASDAQ, S&P 500, and Dow Jones gains. Let's take a closer look at the key developments. Figma raised $1.2 billion in its IPO, with shares debuting at $33 and valuing the company at $19.3 billion. Led by CEO and co-founder Dylan Field, Figma provides browser-based collaborative design tools that enable real-time teamwork, redefining how digital products are created and launched. xAI raised $10 billion, $5 billion in debt, and $5 billion in equity to accelerate its AI efforts. Led by Morgan Stanley, the debt round drew major institutional investors. Founded by Elon Musk and others, xAI is building the Grok chatbot in a Memphis AI supercomputer, with funding set to support data centers, model training, and safe AI development. Perplexity raised $100 million in new funding, boosting its valuation to $18 billion. The round included SoftBank's Vision Fund 2, NVIDIA, NEA, IVP, Jeff Bezos, and Meta's Yann LeCun. Founded in 2022 by Aravind Srinivas, Johnny Ho, Dennis Yaretz, and Andy Konwinski, Perplexity offers an AI-native search engine and recently launched its Comet browser for premium users. With over 30 million users and growing revenue from ads, subscriptions, and e-commerce, the company is rapidly scaling across consumer AI. Vanta raised $150 million in a Series D round led by Wellington Management, with participation from Sequoia, Kraft Ventures, Y Combinator, Goldman Sachs, and JP Morgan, bringing its valuation to over $4 billion. Led by CEO and co-founder Christina Cacioppo, Vanta offers an AI-powered compliance and security platform used by over 12,000 customers worldwide. Its solutions help businesses streamline audits, maintain trust, and meet global security standards efficiently. Farmers Business Network secured $50 million in new funding, valuing the company at $4 billion. Backed by Google Ventures and T. Rowe Price, the AgTech platform, led by CEO and co-founder Amal Deshpande, empowers farmers with data-driven insights, an e-commerce marketplace, crop marketing tools, and insurance solutions, helping them increase profitability and sustainability. Replit raised $250 million in a Series C round at a $3 billion valuation. Founded by Amjad Masad, Faris Masad, and Haya O'Day, the company enables anyone, technical or not, to build and deploy fully functional apps directly from their browser. With AI-powered tools, built-in databases, and one-click deployment, the platform makes app development accessible, collaborative, and instant, turning ideas into production-ready applications in minutes. Motive raised $150 million in funding from Kleiner Perkins, increasing its valuation to $2.89 billion. Led by CEO and co-founder Shoaib Makani, Motive develops technology to connect and automate physical operations across industries like trucking, oil and gas, construction, and agriculture. MaintainX became a unicorn after raising $150 million, doubling its valuation to $2.5 billion. Led by CEO and co-founder Chris Terlica, the company offers an AI-powered platform for equipment maintenance and asset management. Backed by Bessemer Venture Partners, Bain Capital Ventures, Amity Ventures, and D.E. Shaw Ventures, MaintainX serves over 11,000 companies worldwide, managing 11 million assets while cutting downtime, reducing costs, and boosting productivity in industrial operations. Boba Network raised $70 million at a $1.5 billion valuation. Founded by Alan Hsu, Boba is an EVM-equivalent hybrid computing platform built on optimistic roll-up architecture, enabling developers to build feature-rich apps by linking smart contracts with off-chain computations and data. Its tools, like a multi-token on-ramp, fast exits, and an NFT bridge, make blockchain more accessible for developers and users. Gupshup raised $60 million in a new round, combining equity and debt financing from Globespan Capital Partners and Evolution's Debt Capital. Led by CEO and co-founder Biraj Sheth, Gupshup offers a conversational messaging platform that automates business interactions across multiple channels. Handling over 4 billion messages monthly and 150 billion to date, it also provides tools for developers to build, test, and manage bots and smart messaging solutions with ease. Healthtech raised $10 million in a Series C round from Capital One Ventures. Founded by Josh Kurl, Kashish Gupta, and Tejas Manohar, the company enables businesses to sync customer data from warehouses into CRMs, email tools, and ad platforms without heavy engineering. Substack became a unicorn after raising $100 million in a Series C round led by Bond and the Chernin Group, with participation from Andreessen Horowitz, Rich Paul, and Jens Grede, pushing its valuation to $1.1 billion. Founded in 2017, Substack has evolved from a newsletter platform into a social network for writers and readers, offering tools for editing, payments, and audience growth. Reka AI became a unicorn after raising $110 million, tripling its valuation to over $1 billion. Founded by Danny Yogatama, Cyprien de Masson d'Autum, and others, Reka develops large language models that power generative AI applications. With a focus on efficient model development and rapid innovation, the company has emerged as a rare independent player in the AI landscape. Neuro completed a $203 million Series E funding round at a $6 billion valuation with participation from Uber, Bailey Gifford, and new investors Icehouse Ventures, Kindred Ventures, NVIDIA, and Pledge Ventures. The additional $97 million follows the first $106 million tranche announced in April 2025. Founded in 2016 by Jia Junju and Dave Ferguson, Neuro now licenses its core technology, the NeuroDriver, to power applications ranging from robotaxis in commercial fleets to personally owned vehicles, expanding far beyond its origins in small driverless delivery. Cognition raised $500 million in a Series C round led by Founders Fund, boosting its valuation to $9.8 billion. Led by CEO and co-founder Scott Wu, the company is developing autonomous AI software engineers to handle complex real-world coding tasks end-to-end. Cognition is rapidly emerging as a leader in intelligent automation, positioning itself at the forefront of AI-driven software development amid rising demand for coding agents. Descartes joined the Unicorn Club after raising $100 million in a Series B round, led by Sequoia Capital, valuing the company at over $3 billion. Led by CEO and co-founder Dean Ladersdorf, the company's Mirage AI model transforms video content into dynamic visual styles in real time, aiming to reinvent digital media interaction. Positioned at the forefront of AI-driven creative innovation, Descartes is challenging tech giants and redefining real-time digital experiences at scale. Lambda secured $275 million in debt financing. Led by CEO and co-founder Stephen Balaban, the company provides AI infrastructure powered by massive GPU clusters, enabling faster training and deployment of advanced models. Following the launch of its on-demand GPU cloud platform, Lambda is also exploring a potential IPO, reflecting its ambition to shape the future of AI computing. Heartflow raised over $316 million in its NASDAQ debut, reaching a $2.27 billion valuation as shares jumped 47% on opening day. Priced at $19, the stock opened at $28 and peaked at $31.50. Founded by Charles Taylor, John Stevens, and others, Heartflow develops AI-powered technology that generates precise 3D heart models from a single scan, helping doctors better diagnose and treat coronary artery disease. Human Interest raised $50 million in a Series E round. Led by CEO Jeff Schneebel, the company helps small and mid-sized businesses offer simple, affordable retirement plans. Its end-to-end technology streamlines administration and compliance, making it easy for thousands of businesses across the U.S. to provide 401(k) accounts, empowering employees to save for the future. Snorkel AI closed a venture round led by Accenture Ventures. Founded by Chris Ray, Henry Ehrenberg, and Vincent Sun Chen, Snorkel AI helps enterprises build high-quality AI applications through programmatic data labeling and curation. Spun out of the Stanford AI Lab, the platform accelerates development using weak supervision and advanced techniques, enabling organizations to transform proprietary data into production-ready AI models faster and more efficiently. Anthropic completed a $13 billion Series F funding round, pushing its valuation to $183 billion. The round included Fidelity, Iconic Capital, and Lightspeed Venture Partners. Founded by former OpenAI leaders Dario and Daniela Amadei, Anthropic leads in developing safe, steerable AI systems, including the Claude family of models, positioning itself as a major competitor in the race for advanced artificial intelligence. Databricks raised $1 billion in a new round, elevating its valuation to $100 billion. The round was backed by multiple investors, including Andreessen Horowitz, Insight Partners, and Thrive Capital. Led by CEO and co-founder Ali Ghodsi, Databricks provides a unified data and AI platform that helps organizations manage massive data sets and build, deploy, and monitor machine learning models at scale, solidifying its role as an essential enterprise AI company. Figure AI raised a staggering $1 billion in a Series C round, boosting its valuation to $39 billion. With participation from NVIDIA, Intel Capital, and Salesforce Ventures. Founded by Brett Adcock, Figure AI is developing general-purpose humanoid robots, designed to work alongside humans in manufacturing, logistics, and warehousing, aiming to address labor shortages and revolutionize the workforce with autonomous systems. Kraken raised $500 million in a new round at a $15 billion valuation. Led by co-CEOs Dave Ripley and Arjun Sethi, the funding round notably included participation from Sethi's venture firm, Tribe Capital. As one of the longest-standing cryptocurrency exchanges, originally founded by Jesse Powell, Kraken offers a secure and reliable platform for trading a wide variety of digital assets. Perplexity AI raised $200 million in a new round, bringing its valuation to over $20 billion. Founded by Aravind Srinivas, Dennis Yaratz, Johnny Ho, and Andy Konwinski, the company is building a conversational AI-powered answer engine that provides direct, cited answers to user queries. Cognition raised $400 million in a Series C round, led by Founders Fund, Khosla Ventures, and Lux Capital, boosting its valuation to over $10 billion. Led by CEO and co-founder Scott Wu, Cognition is the creator of Devin, the first fully autonomous AI software engineer. Sierra raised $350 million in a Series D funding round with participation from Green Oaks, valuing the company at $10 billion. Founded by Brett Taylor and Clay Bavor, Sierra is developing a conversational AI platform that enables businesses to build and deploy enterprise-grade agents. Netscope raised $908 million in its initial public offering, achieving a $7.3 billion valuation. Led by CEO and co-founder Sanjay Berry, Netscope is a global leader in cybersecurity, providing a cloud-native platform to protect data and defend against threats. The successful IPO reflects strong investor confidence in its vision to secure the future of cloud and hybrid work environments. PsiQuantum completed a $1 billion Series E round, valuing the company at $7 billion, with participation from Temasek, Bailey Gifford, and Macquarie Capital. Founded by Jeremy O'Brien, Terry Rudolph, Pete Shadbolt, and others, PsiQuantum is aiming to build the world's first commercially useful, fault-tolerant quantum computer. Grok raised $750 million in a Series D round, pushing its valuation to $6.9 billion. The round saw participation from Disruptive, BlackRock, and Samsung. Founded by Jonathan Ross, Grok develops high-performance chips called language processing units, specifically designed to run large language models with exceptional speed and low latency, aiming to become a key infrastructure provider for the generative AI boom. U.com raised $100 million in a Series C round, bringing its valuation to $1.5 billion and joining the Unicorn Club. The round saw participation from Cox Enterprises, Georgian, and Salesforce. Founded by Richard Socker and Brian McCann, U.com is an AI-powered search engine that summarizes the best of the internet for users while prioritizing privacy. PostHog joined the Unicorn Club after raising $75 million in a Series E funding round, reaching a valuation of $1.4 billion. Founded by James Hawkins and Tim Glaser, PostHog provides an all-in-one open-source product analytics platform. It allows developers to track user behavior, conduct A/B tests, and monitor performance, giving engineering teams the tools to build better products faster.